Indian economic updates. India's high-speed rail initiative represents a transformative leap in infrastructure, aiming to enhance connectivity, economic growth, and technological capacity. The flagship Mumbai-Ahmedabad corridor, using Japan's Shinkansen technology, will reduce travel time to 2 hours and is slated for completion by 2028. Despite delays due to land acquisition and COVID-19, construction is progressing, particularly in Gujarat. Plans are underway for 12 additional corridors, creating a 6,668 km high-speed rail network by 2040. Challenges such as land issues, cost overruns, and integration with legacy systems are being addressed through public-private partnerships and domestic manufacturing. High-speed rail promises economic integration, job creation, and sustainability, aligning with India's climate and development goals. Complementary efforts like the Vande Bharat trains and full rail electrification support this vision. India's high-speed rail journey, while complex, reflects a bold commitment to redefining mobility and positioning the nation as a global leader in next-generation transportation. India has ended the transshipment facility that allowed Bangladeshi export cargo to pass through Indian land customs stations en route to international ports and airports. The facility, introduced in 2020, primarily supported Bangladesh's garment exports to third countries, especially in the West. The decision follows complaints from Indian exporters, particularly in the apparel sector, about reduced air cargo space and rising freight costs due to congestion caused by Bangladeshi shipments. The Federation of Indian Export Organizations said the move would benefit Indian exporters by increasing cargo space availability. The External Affairs Ministry stated that the facility had led to port and airport congestion, causing delays and higher logistics costs, ultimately hampering India's own exports. The Apparel Export Promotion Council had earlier petitioned for the suspension. A Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs circular has rescinded the 2020 provision with immediate effect. Bangladesh's cargo will now have to comply with stringent Sea Cargo Manifest and Transshipment Regulations, 2018. India is poised to revolutionize mass transportation with the adoption of Hyperloop, an ultra-high-speed rail technology first proposed by Elon Musk in 2013. Using magnetic levitation and vacuum tubes, Hyperloop promises near supersonic travel speeds, dramatically reducing travel time, energy consumption, and emissions. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras has made major strides with a 422-meter-long test track, the world's longest, developed by Avishkar Hyperloop in collaboration with Indian Railways and Larsen & Toubro. 2TR Hyperloop, another IIT Madras startup, successfully ran India's first commercial pod test, signaling real progress. However, challenges remain: technological hurdles, high infrastructure costs, and safety regulations must be addressed. If successful, Hyperloop could disrupt aviation, railways, and logistics, spurring urban development and reducing carbon emissions. It would also boost tourism, enable high-speed data transfer, and create significant employment opportunities across sectors. With 5 semiconductor facilities already operational and India's strong engineering talent, the country is well positioned to lead in ultra-high-speed rail technology. As global interest in Hyperloop grows, India's early investments and innovations could place it at the forefront of a transportation revolution, driving connectivity and sustainable economic growth. Indian Railways operating ratio improved slightly to 98.32% in FY 2024-25 from 98.43% the previous year, indicating it spent 98 rupees and 32 paise to earn 100 rupees. Total expenditure rose to 2.63 lakh rupees crore, while earnings increased to 2.65 lakh rupees crore, up from 2.56 lakh rupees crore in FY 2023-24. Passenger revenue grew 6.4% year-on-year to 75,239 crore rupees, goods income rose 1.7% to over 1.71 lakh rupees crore, and sundry revenue saw the highest jump at 19.8%, reaching 11,562 crore rupees. Indian Railways set new records in freight loading and revenue for the fourth straight year, loading 1.61 billion tons and surpassing the US to become the second largest rail freight carrier globally, behind China. However, net revenue dropped to 2,342 crore rupees from 3,259.68 crore rupees in the previous year. For FY 2025-26, the projected net revenue stands at 3,041.31 crore rupees,